Hey everybody, welcome to today's session. In today's video, we're going to go over a few currency pairs that I have on my watch list. As the month has just ended, so we need to go and look at how the prices played out in the past month and see how we can actually take advantage of that in the coming month. So if that sounds interesting, stick with us until the end and let's see how it goes. So we're going to start off with JPYX. JPYX, we can see it's in a crazy impulsive downtrend with no indication of stopping anytime soon. As you can see in the previous 2 months, prices have just been giving us these wicks at the top, but down here we can see like there is no rejection. So that means for the coming month, we also have a possibility that prices will keep on going lower, and that indicates that the JPY is just going to be weaker and weaker. So with that being said, how is this going to play out in the currency pairs? We have CAD JPY. Obviously, prices are still actually on a resistance level. However, since JPYX seems to be keeping pushing higher and higher, obviously I'll be looking for prices to keep on pumping until prices reach that market key level right there. We have Euro JPY, same thing. Prices are just being crazy, pushing higher and higher. So obviously the next market structure is right there. That's the one we'll be aiming for. Mind you guys, this is the monthly perspective. You're not going to be taking any trades from the monthly perspective. You need to go to the lower time frames to get your entries. And if you want to be a part of seeing how I view the markets on the lower time frames, you can join my free Telegram group that's linked in the description. We have the dollar index. The dollar index, we can see prices are kind of pumping higher. If we look at the main trend, you can see prices are creating these lows, highs, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. That means the prices are actually pushing higher. So we are in a significant uptrend. So I'll be anticipating to see prices from here create a new higher high. But before they do so, this will be the first target, as it's the next level with the market structure. So obviously I'll be anticipating prices to break up here in the coming month and give us a retest before we continue pumping higher. We got USD JPY. Obviously JPYX is dumping, the dollar is pumping, so obviously prices will break this structure and keep on pushing higher. As of USD JPY, it's a beautiful time. Now I remember I told you guys I wasn't really looking to trade USD JPY because they were moving in the same direction, but now they're actually going in the opposite direction. The dollar is buying, the JPYX is selling, so that means prices are actually going accordingly, because these two prices, or these two indices, the JPYX and the US dollar, are supposed to be inversely correlated. Now once they move in the same direction, then it's tricky to trade USD JPY. But as long as they're moving in opposite directions, that means it's safe and you can actually take your trades from there. Now we also have Euro USD. This is inversely correlated to the dollar. So obviously as the dollar pumps, this will dump. So I'll be looking to see prices keep on going lower. Now I'll be looking for prices to do this kind of move right here. This is what I'm really anticipating to see happen or play out with Euro USD. We do have GBP USD, as prices have just touched a descending trendline key level. So obviously prices will be looking to push lower. So we have the first touch, second touch, and third touch. So that means prices are most likely going to keep on pushing lower. I'll be looking for prices to create this kind of a pattern. This is the low I'm looking for prices to break. So obviously prices will dump crazy, give us a retest before they continue pumping lower or dropping lower until they hit those lows. So that's what I'm really viewing on GBP USD. Most of the dollar pairs that have the dollar as the quote currency will be dropping, and those that have the dollar as the base currency will be pumping. So gold has the dollar as the quote currency. So obviously prices will be dumping. And as you can see in the previous months, we have rejections here. So prices are being rejected from creating new higher highs. They did tap 2,500, but obviously that's as high as it goes. Now, I'm anticipating it actually didn't tap 2,500. It actually ended on 2,450. But prices have been rejected from going there ever since. So obviously, with gold, I can actually even go to the lower time frames. For other pairs, you need to join my free Telegram that's linked in the description, unfortunately. So you can see here prices are ranging. I'll be anticipating to see prices break this low, give us a retest, and then drop all the way until somewhere here. So that's what I'm really viewing, or that's what I'm anticipating happen to gold, as the dollar will be pumping, dollar will be dropping. So that means gold will be dropping. So that means for the coming month, I'll be anticipating to see the gold commodity lose value because the dollar will be pumping. So that's just my high time frame views on the market and what I anticipate for it to do in the coming month. So if you found value in this video, consider giving us a like, comment, and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in the video. Till next time, guys, I hope you have a great trading month. Peace.